All right, the last one or two that I want to walk you through, I want you to look at number 9. Number 9 we have problems with because it well, it doesn't violate, but if we look at PO4, PO4 is on the right, but PO4 is nowhere to be found on the left. So our rule that said leave a polyatomic ion together if you can goes right out the window. We will have to separately balance the oxygens and the phosphorus. All right, if you ever have a polyatomic break up like that, don't start with the parts that are in the polyatomic ion, because if you look, the oxygen is here, and then it goes into one spot. That's hard to balance, so let's start somewhere else. So the next highest subscript besides oxygen is the metal calcium. It has the 3. So there's 3 calciums on the right. We need 3 on the left. Now that 3 causes there to be 3 of everything here. So I have 3 oxygens plus I have 5 oxygens. That makes 8 oxygens, which is good news because I have 2 of everything in here, and 2 times 4 is 8. All right, so that took care of the oxygens right there. I'm going to check the phosphorus and then I'd be done. So 2 P's on the left, 2 P's on the right. They are balanced, so really this became very simple. 3, 1, 1. All right. This, number 10, is a double replacement reaction. We'll learn about that later. But we need to look at all the parts that make this up. These are all polyatomic ions that I'm putting in brackets here. And they all stay together. So we would ignore any of the numbers inside here. We just treat CO3 as a single thing. So that there's a CO3 there, a CO3 there, NO3 here, NO3 there. So really our only 2 subscripts to worry about are the 2 here with this H, and it point very well, and the 2 there with that Na. I'm going to start with this 2 on the Na. So if there's 2 sodiums on the left, I need 2 sodiums on the right. That 2 I just placed causes there to now be 2 NO3s. So I better put a 2 in front of the NO3s. Now if I have 2 NO3s here, it just made 2 H's. But look, I have 2 H's, so I'm going to put a 1, and I'm going to put a 1, and it would be done. Alright, so that I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them for you. Hopefully you feel okay about your ability to do the other 4. Really focus and try to get through these. If you need help still, you can come in and visit with me in the morning or any day after school, except for I do have track if it's in the spring. All right.